E toru tau ki muri I tino Pākia a te tairawhiti e Huripari Gabrielle, a I tino rereke te āhua o te whenua mō te hau kāinga. I rewa ake te awa o Te Uranga nui a kiwa, a nui atu te kino I mahu e mai.
As you can see, we're shifting these ones. There's some just around floating out there. We'll try and get those. And there are one-mans on the banks.
Ki konei ki te pāka o Anzac ki Te Uranga nui a kiwa ko te karapu hoi waka o Mareikura tētahi I tino Pākia e te Waipuke. Ko ngā waka takitahi takirua no hoki I riro hei kai mā te āwha.
We actually stood across the road and you can see through here. And we thought, like at midnight, we thought, yeah, we're good. And then by 4 a.m, the water was just up and right up. And some of our wakas were just smashed, some floating down the river. The water was right up, right across here. All our W1s were damaged.
I tēnei rā, korere ke te āhua o te whenua o Anzac, engari he nui tonu ngā mahi whakaora mō Mareikura.
Unfortunately, we would have lost between 30 and 40 W1s, W2s, but a lot of those were personal waka that people lost.
It was quite an emotional kind of sight to see our waka, because we treat our waka like they're our taonga, and to see them all smashed up and damaged was kind of like a real kick in the gut. So the weather was just devastating.
Aha kua ngā kino he hua pai anō I puta mai. Tōna tikanga timata ngā mahi ki te whakatū I te whare whakaruru hau o Mareikura I taua wiki tonu, engari I panoni te wāhi e tū ai taua whakaruru hau, whai muri I te Waipuketanga.
It was only days before ground was to be broken to start building the facility at its original spot, which was next to the rowing shed. And Gabrielle pretty much happened, and then plans were changed, and then we went and sought another resource consent to have it up here, get the facility up here, and yeah, it was definitely a blessing in disguise. Its original position was right next to the rowing shed. There's the line of trees, pretty much on this side of those trees.
Ko Mareikura te karapu mātāmua o Aotearoa. I tērā tau I whakanuia ai e rātau ngā tau whātekau o te karapu.
That was 40 years worth of resources that we just lost in a moment, in about 2 hours gone, totally obliterated. And so since then, for the last 4 years, we've had to rebuild. We've had to think about our membership. Our membership fell away. And now we've just, as you can see, we've just slowly started to rebuild, and we're getting back there again.
Niki atu I te rua te kau ngā kapa I hoi hei māngai mō Mareikura ki te whakataetai waka ama amotu I tēnei tau, mai ngā tai tamariki tainua ki ngā pakeke, e whakātu ana aha kua te pauri, ka whiti tonu te marama. Rahia tumutumu, Taioro.